Hi YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this really simple natural rock waterfall for your pond. The first step is to buy a small pond pump with some tubing. You can get this from Amazon. The next step is to find flat rocks and then arrange them into levels for the waterfall. It's important to find flat rocks because they're easier to stick together. Sticking the levels of the waterfall together in stages is the easiest way to put one together. The reason for this being that the more these stack up, the more unstable it becomes. So if you glue them in small stages, then you can eventually make a larger structure. You will see that some of the white adhesive is still showing. You can easily conceal this by placing moss over the adhesive or putting some more adhesive down and sticking some smaller rocks on top of it. Hide your waterfall pump behind your waterfall and ensure that the tubing is cut to the shortest distance to ensure that the flow is maximised as much as possible. Please like, comment and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.